akin, I've always believed that 50% of success in life lies in showing up. Now, when you show up, it doesn't automatically guarantee success. But the reverse is always true. That is, if you do not show up, then you have no chance. So, ganun ang approach namin in the finals. For us, 50% of the work is getting here. And however, that doesn't automatically guarantee success. The 50% still has to be done. And that 50% is represented by the other side, very, very formidable team. Ang San Miguel, we all know that they have dominated the All-Filipino Cup for the last decade practically. So for us, we're just very glad to be here. We have shown up, they have shown up, you all here have shown up, our friends from the press. So I think this bodes well for a successful finals. But sabi nga namin ni Coach Leo nung nag-usap kami kanina, basta wag tayo magsawang dumating dito. And then whoever comes out the winner, then that's really going to depend on which team plays better. But for us, the fact that we're here is a tremendous honor for us. And now it's time for us to buckle down and get the other 50% done. Thank you.